Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
A compound inequality is simply two inequalities rolled into one. Here's an example. -2 is less than x is less than 5. This is simply the combination of the two inequalities -2 is less than x, and x is less than 5. If we plot them both on a number line, we'd have open circles at -2 and 5, and we'd shade the area in between because x has to be between them. And we'd write the interval for the solutions as -2 to 5 with parentheses. A more complex example, we have 3 is greater than -2x minus 7 is greater than -11. We'll solve normally, but this time we'll add 7 to all sides of the inequality, giving us 10 is greater than -2x is greater than -4. Divide all sides again by -2, and because we divided by a negative, we have to flip the inequality signs, so we'll end up with -5 is less than x is less than 2. Another way of reading this is just to say x is between -5 and 2. And that's exactly what our solution in interval notation represents.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.